I'm here to share a story with you. Hello, Art Explorers. I'm Mr. Chad from the Oxford Lane Library, and yes, today I am here to share a story with you. We're going to start first with a song, though, and this song I could use your help for. All you have to do is put your hands together, just like this. Help me get the rhythm going. Here we go. My hands like to clap. My hands like to clap. When I hear the music, my hands like to clap. My toes like to tap. My toes like to tap. When I hear that music, my toes like to tap. My head likes to nod. My head, it likes to nod. When I hear the music, my head likes to nod. My shoulders like to move. My shoulders like to move. When I hear that music, my shoulders like to move. My body likes to sway. My body, it likes to sway. When I hear that music, my body likes to sway. Hello, everybody. All right. I think it's time for today's story. Are you ready for today's story? It's time to read a story. We're gonna have some fun. Show me that you're ready. Wave hello to everyone. Big hellos, everybody. I'm here to read a story, whether there's rain or snow or sun. Won't you listen to my story until my story's done? All right, so today's story is called How to Make an Apple Pie and See the World, written and illustrated by Marjorie Priceman. And a special thank you to Dragonfly Books for allowing me to share today's story. Making an apple pie is really very easy. First, get all the ingredients at the market. Mix them well, bake, and serve. Unless, of course, the market is closed. In that case, go home and pack a suitcase. Take your shopping list and some walking shoes. Then catch a steamship bound for Europe. Use the 6 days on board to brush up on your Italian. If you time it right, you'll arrive in Italy at harvest time. Find a farm deep in the countryside. Gather some superb semolina wheat. An armful or two will do. Then hop a train to France and locate a chicken. French chickens lay elegant eggs, and if you want only the finest ingredients for your pie, coax the chicken to give you an egg. Better yet, bring the chicken with you. There's less chance of breaking the egg that way. Go to Sri Lanka any way you can. You can't miss it. Sri Lanka is a pear-shaped island in the Indian Ocean. The best cinnamon in the world is made there from the bark of the native kurundu tree. So go directly to the rainforest, find a kurundu tree and peel off some bark. If a leopard is napping beneath the tree, shh, be very quiet. Then hitch a ride to England. Make the acquaintance of a cow. You'll know she's an English cow from her good manners and charming accent. Ask if you can borrow a cup or two of milk. Even better, bring the whole cow with you for the freshest possible results. Then stow away on a banana boat, headed home to Jamaica. On your way there, you can pick up some salt. Fill a jar with salty seawater. When the boat docks in Jamaica, walk to the nearest sugar plantation. Introduce yourself to everyone. Tell them about the pie you're making. Then go into the fields and cut a few stalks of sugar cane. Then you better fly home. You don't want the ingredients to spoil. Wait a minute. Aren't you forgetting something? What about the apples? Have the pilot drop you off in Vermont. You won't have to go far to find an apple orchard. Pick 8 rosy apples from the top of the tree. Give 1 to the chicken, 1 to the cow, and eat 1 yourself. That leaves 5 apples for the pie. Then you better hurry home. Now, all you have to do is mill the wheat into flour, grind the corundu bark into cinnamon, evaporate the seawater from the salt, boil the sugar cane, persuade the chicken to lay an egg, milk the cow, churn the milk into butter, slice the apples, mix the ingredients, and bake the pie. While the pie is cooling, invite some friends over to share it with you. Remember that apple pie is delicious, topped with vanilla ice cream, which you can get at the market. But if the market happens to be closed, you can just eat it plain. The end. Woo! That is a lot of work to make an apple pie. You must really, really want some apple pie to go to all that trouble. Let's do one more song before we go today. And you're gonna need to stand up for this song too. We're gonna use our 2 feet today and we're gonna go for a walk. Are we ready? Here we go. I've got 2 feet and I really like to use them. Got 2 feet, they take me anywhere. Cruising down the sidewalk, stepping to the beat. I've got walking shoes on my feet. Here we go. Ooh, we're walking. Ooh, we're walking. Ooh, we're walking. Now we freeze. I've got 2 feet and I really like to use them. Got 2 feet, they'll take me anywhere. Cruising down the sidewalk, stepping to the beat. Now I've got marching shoes. Everybody ready to march? Here we go. Ooh, we're marching. Ooh, we're marching. Ooh, we're marching. Now we freeze. I've got 2 feet and I really like to use them. Got 2 feet, they'll take me anywhere. Cruising down the sidewalk, stepping to the beat. Now I've got tiptoe shoes. Tiptoe, everybody on your tiptoes. On my feet. Ooh, we're tiptoeing. Ooh, we're tiptoeing. Ooh, we're tiptoeing. Now we freeze. I've got 2 feet and I really like to use them. Got 2 feet, they'll take me anywhere. Cruising down the sidewalk, stepping to the beat. Now I've got dancing shoes on again. Here we go. On my feet. Ooh, we're dancing. Ooh, we're dancing. Ooh, we're dancing. Now we're dancing. Ooh, we're dancing. Ooh, we're dancing. Now we freeze. Very good, everybody. All right. All right, everybody, I think that's all we have today. It's time to say goodbye. See you later, alligator. Bye, bye, bye. After a while, crocodile. scat, kitty cat. Bye, bye, bye. Let me hear those bye, bye, byes, and let me see those hands in the air. Out the door